Check the mic and make sure it sound right.
You're listening to DJ Royalty ATL.
All right, guys, let's dive right back in part 2 of the Workstation. Now, as you guys can see here, this is a 2-inch Linux tools hole saw with arbor speed slot. I'm drilling a 2-inch hole in order to put the Noco GCP12 15 amp AC port plug-in with 125 volt power Intel socket inside there. Now that right there is what is actually the workstation in itself. And you know there's going to be a little dust, so what you can do is you just have a shop vac that you're able to clean it up on. I'll take a little napkin and wipe it down. Now, if you're kind of leery about fingerprints, just be careful with the black on black exterior. Fingerprints happen to show up, but you know it's not a big deal. You know, it's not a deal breaker. But yeah, so you just take it, you know, get the shop vac. You see the hole with the Linux 2-inch drill, it makes a crispy, clean hole. Now, it's time for me to show y'all my baby, the Noco GCP, the AC outlet. All right, guys, so now it comes with one AC, and of course that's on the outside. And as you see me putting the 2 AC outs on the inside, that's going to plug into my surge protector. And then what holds it together is 3 bolts. Now get this, it is waterproof. Yes, waterproof. So this changes the game for DJs and their workstations, because the only thing I need to attach to this is an extension cord. Everything else can remain plugged in, so it is easy setup time. This will literally cut my setup time down by at least 20 minutes, because you know I like to fold my cords up accordingly, you know, and wrap them up. But yeah, so you see me drilling here, 3 quick easy holes. You drill it in, and like I said again, it's very durable and it's waterproof. Now you're going to see me push the latch back up. You can see the AC in. Now I'm putting the latch back in. It's a rubber-based latch that seals, so therefore it's waterproof. Now, as you see, everything is plugged in and the cords are wrapped up neatly. There goes the surge protector. Also have 2 XLR 1-foot extenders to, you know, have more livelihood. That is the Pioneer DDJ 1000 SRT controller. All right, so I mean, there you have it, guys. I can't explain it no better. Now we're gonna see if it has power. Plug in an extension cord to the AC in. Push the surge protector. Is there power? There it is, guys. And there you have it. So if you find any way, and this is some of the products that I use. So if you have any questions, comments, leave them down in the comment section and let me know. And here's a shot of me at a gig with it. So it was fun, guys. Till next time.